plantar fasciitis here on his left foot. This is Vince here. Vince developed plantar fasciitis from a lot of basketball playing this summer. He's also a big guy. How tall are you, Vince?
6'5".
6'5", so a lot, 250?
Yeah.
A lot of weight, a lot of pressure on the plantar fascia. So we just got him some new orthotics, some custom orthotics made, which are going to help take the flat arch and give it some support and alleviate some of the stress and some of the pain in the plantar fascia. But now what we're going to do is an advanced treatment. And the first one is this. This is a muscle, tendon, and ligament stimulator, and it's going to help loosen up the fascia and all the muscles underneath the bottom of the foot and along the plantar fascia. It can be a little bit uncomfortable. Patients usually love this. What it does is it uses vibration to relax the muscle spindles and therefore relax all the fascia and the muscles here on the bottom of the foot. You can also do the stretches and exercises that we've showed you in the other videos for plantar fascia. Now we're going to take out the big gun. This is a brand new MR5 cold laser, deep laser machine, and this machine, not only does it provide treatment to the soft tissue in the plantar fascia, but it also finds the areas that are inflamed underneath the skin and any areas of muscle spasms or inflammation or pain it will find for me. So we're going to set this to medium to deep pressure here. Set the electrotherapy at the same time, which is really, it acts as an impedance meter, and you can see here already it found a spot. And Vince here has some pain up into the heel area, just above where the plantar fascia is as well. And we're going to go right into the attachment of the plantar fascia here. And laser is just instrumental when it comes to plantar fasciitis or any soft tissue injury. The laser really helps to reduce the inflammation, pain, and it also speeds up the healing process about 40 to 50% faster. And that's why all the sports teams, the professional sports teams, are using cold laser therapy for all their athletes. And this treatment, this laser treatment, takes about 5 minutes, and we treat the entire foot, not just the plantar fascia. Again, this machine is nice because it can find the spots underneath the skin where it's more inflamed. If you have any questions about plantar fasciitis, cold laser therapy, or the muscle and tendon stimulator right here, feel free to comment below or call us.